Okay, sprinkler installation time. This is the old backflow preventer, taking that out. So we made you have to get a measurement of the gallons per minute. We did it here. This is a 3/4 inch pipe. We got 8.4 gallons per minute. And here's the underground poly pipe going to that spigot. Then over here, we did another measurement over there, and that was a 1/2 inch riser, so that really was constrained even further. So we did a couple of runs, with the sprinklers, with this hose, and it was just anemic. So I thought that, well, maybe what we should do now that we're tearing this up is to do a test. So I disconnected this from the backflow, and I put it through this 1-inch flexible pipe, and then 1-inch PVC. That's PVC. Both are PVC. So this is coming off the main for all intents and purposes 1 inch. That's a 1 inch down there. 1-inch valve, ball valve, 1-inch pipe, and then I've got a reducer to 3/4. And then here I've got one of these, again, these PVC lock fittings. You can see you can twist it if you want. Oh, you can't see that I'm twisting it. But anyway, so the whole exercise here is going to be to fill this bucket, a 5-gallon bucket, and then calculate what our flow rate is as close to the main line as we can get it. Yeah. So let's just, actually I did this exercise earlier with just the stopwatch, but I couldn't believe it. So I'm doing this on video so I can get better control over when I start the timer and stop it and whatnot. So here we go. I'm going to count down to 1 from 3, and then turn the valve on, and then you can do the calculation. 3, 2, 1. Boy, I actually could feel some water hammer in there in that pipe. Probably is good to use flexible pipe for that reason. I didn't think about that, but if we have a couple of segments here, the plan with this flexible pipe was to be able to snake through this to the backflow, because the sprinkler has to come off the backflow preventer. So this is allows me then to snake this through. But then also for like the turns, rather than using an elbow, I'm just going to use a length of this and then have a nice gradual turn. I don't know, it's probably overkill, but anyway. So we'll take a reading. Last time I did it, I got 26 gallons a minute, and I couldn't quite believe it. That's why I did this again.